the Natural Remedies. Arrive in the kitchen. Today, we'll see how to exploit the cleaning, disinfectant, antibacterial, and anti-scale properties of lemon to prepare a detergent for the dishwasher, scented, effective, and also eco-friendly. It is really easy. You need 4 organic lemons, 800 milliliters of water, 200 grams of sea salt, 100 milliliters of white vinegar that helps clean and remove fat. Cut the lemons into quarters and remove the seeds. Put the lemons in a pot and pour the water. Heat and bring to the boiling, let it simmer for 20 minutes. After this time, the lemons will be soft. Remove from the heat and let cool down. Blend the lemons with an immersion blender. In this way, you cannot feel it, but I can say that the scent is something amazing, so fresh. Filter with a small meshed strainer. The lemon compound is a little thick, so you can help strain it with a spoon. Pour now the vinegar, and the salt, and put again on the heat. Bring to the boiling and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Pour in a glass jar, and here you go, the detergent for dishwasher. Keep it in the fridge for a few weeks. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons in the box of the dishwasher. The plates will be perfectly cleaned. See you soon, and thank you for the attention.